In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your DeepSeek charts at once. As you can see, I have quite a number of charts and my chart history is quite long under my account. Instead of going ahead and deleting one by one, the best thing to do is to go ahead and delete all of them just at once. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now to get started, go to your profile picture down here on the bottom left and then click on it and then choose settings. Under this, go ahead and tap on profile and you'll see we have this option called delete all charts. If you go ahead and tap on delete all, this will go ahead and delete your chart permanently. You have to note that this decision is permanent and your charts cannot be recovered once they have been erased. If you are sure, go ahead and tap on confirm deletion and then this will go ahead and delete your charts all at once. And now our charts have been deleted. If I go back, you can see I don't have any charts in DeepSeek. So that's how you delete all your charts at once in DeepSeek. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.